Promote RC parts listings on eBay. First, make sure your listings are well written and include plenty of photos. Be sure to describe the parts in detail, and if possible, include information on how they can be used. Next, take advantage of eBay's search engine optimization features. Use keyword-rich titles and tags, and be sure to categorize your listings correctly. Finally, consider running a promotional campaign on eBay. This could include offering discounts, free shipping, or running a contest. By offering something special, you can help your listings stand out from the competition. Now the pro trick I have been promising to give you that will increase traffic to your product listings. First, a little bit of background story. eBay is in an advertising and marketplace share war with Amazon Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, and to some degree Craigslist, each fighting for supremacy. This is great for marketers like us. You can use the eBay promotion feature to get your impressions on the platform for your parts and turn the ad setting all the way up, which would normally cost you around 10 to 15% commission paid to eBay, but not anymore, at least for the time being in August 2022. Now highlight the suggested rate and enter what you think is fair, or put it to 0 or 0.01% to get your free traffic to your store. This trick got me excited, and I hope you have that same passion and excitement that comes from learning something new. Hopefully, you are wanting to get started ASAP.